Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney, and this video we're going through all of my favorite Amazon furniture finds. We recently moved into a new apartment and so many pieces that we grabbed are from Amazon, especially furniture. I had never purchased Amazon furniture before moving here. And now we have so many pieces. They're way better than I even knew, so I want to share these with you because I really didn't know how good Amazon furniture was until we started buying them for here. And I'm so obsessed with these, so I'm really excited to get into this video. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. And I also have my Instagram and TikTok linked below. And my Amazon storefront is always linked below as well. So I will be linking everything that I'm talking about today in the description in the order that I show them, but they're also on my Amazon storefront along with so many other things, especially decor pieces. I have a whole Amazon storefront decor list with so many of these things that you're seeing in the background, and I have a few whole YouTube videos about Amazon home decor, so I'll throw those in the description. Pop them up if you want some home decor inspo as well, because this video is all furniture. That's what we're getting into today. So let's jump right into it. The first piece that I love so much, and I have talked about this in a few other videos. I think I've talked about it in a few of my Amazon home decor videos because there are a few pieces that are kind of on the verge of both. Like, they're furniture, but they're also not huge pieces that maybe they could be home decor, or maybe I just don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know. Anyway, this is my Sherpa fuzzy chair that's sitting literally right back here. It is probably one of my top favorite, most amazing Amazon purchases I've ever made, and that's huge because I'm obsessed with Amazon. But I simply can't even believe that I found this chair on Amazon. The price especially, I had been wanting a like fuzzy teddy Sherpa chair when we moved in here. I knew that was like one thing that I absolutely needed, so I looked on so many different websites: Overstock, Wayfair, CB2. I'm losing my voice. Don't get me wrong, they had teddy chairs, but the price was honestly crazy. Pottery Barn too, that was one place. I loved them, but why so expensive? And this one on Amazon is by far cheaper. I love it so much. It is absolutely perfect. It's a swivel chair. Quality is amazing. It feels and looks great. Like, I can't even believe the deal that I got for this chair. I know that the shipping is a bit expensive on this one. It's not free shipping. However, even with the shipping, the price of this chair, in my opinion, is still ridiculously good and still by far cheaper than any of the other options that I found. Like, I scoured the internet and this one is the best deal, and in my opinion, the absolute cutest as well. I love this chair. If you follow me on TikTok, you've probably seen it in like every video because I'm obsessed. Okay, don't mind me. I actually just finished filming this video and then I realized I didn't talk about the one piece that I'm so excited about. So, sorry for the weird clip jumping in, but this acrylic, here we go. This acrylic vanity table, console table, is one of my newest pieces that I got from Amazon furniture, and easily one of my favorites. So I couldn't accept that I just filmed this entire video and didn't talk about that one, and I already moved my tripod and everything, so here we are. I'm sorry. It is so good. Hi, Macy. I personally love that it's clear and just like, it's different than like a regular desk in this space. I absolutely love the look of this. It really breaks up my getting ready space here from our dresser. And, you know, I posted this on TikTok and a lot of people really hated that I put an antique mirror on top of a acrylic table. I don't know. I'm mixing modern and vintage, and that's my personal style. Just don't come for my setup here because I like it. If you don't like it, it is what it is. The console table, vanity table, getting ready table, whatever you want to call it, is amazing. That is my point here. I love it. I love the very thick acrylic. It is such good quality. I honestly haven't even cleaned this thing since I got it over a month ago, and I do my makeup here all the time, and I'm very impressed with how clean it has stayed. Like, don't get me wrong, there are a few little like marks from makeup, but I don't think you can even tell, especially like looking at it like this. So it stays clean, it looks stunning, I love the clear aesthetic, and 10 out of 10, so yeah. Okay, the next item, I don't know if I've even talked about this on YouTube, probably once or twice when we moved in, but our dining room table is from Amazon, and never ever did I think I would be purchasing a whole dining room table on Amazon without seeing it, without touching it, but let me tell you how glad that I am that we did, because this is one of my favorite pieces in our entire like living room kitchen area. I think it is just absolutely stunning. It is the exact aesthetic that I was going for, and it looks like a big like chunky slab of wood. I love that like thick wood chunky look, if you know what I mean. And this one is like a wrap over the table. Like, I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's not contact paper. It's a lot better than that. But it's not like actual solid wood. I mean, it's wood, it's just wrapped with, do you know what I mean? That doesn't bug me in the slightest. I think it is genuinely the best quality thing. Again, for the price, it was very affordable for a dining room table. I was worried about like the covering the surface with hot dishes or drinks or anything, but I haven't had an issue yet. I'm not gonna lie, I'm terrible with using coasters. I'm always putting like ice cold drinks on this table, and you know, they're like getting water puddles. It's never been a problem. It's never bubbled. We've had this now for like 7 months since we moved in. 6-7 months. We do use placemats whenever we have hot plates, and yeah, it's not been an issue at all. I think it looks amazing. The quality is held up beautifully. I love it. They also have a matching like little console table that I am eyeing. I don't know where I would put it, but I love that could be a matching set if you wanted it to be. I think the table is stunning, and I would so highly recommend. Okay, also a little like honorable mention, our dining room chairs are also from Amazon, the ones that are literally at this table. However, I just checked the Amazon page for these chairs, and I think they're sold out. I'm not finding them. They're saying currently unavailable. I'm gonna do a little bit more digging before this video goes up, see if I can find them or a very similar one, because the exact link that I purchased them from is not available, and I feel so bad. But they're a gorgeous chair. They're teddy. They're a black like teddy Sherpa material, very similar to my little like vanity chair, but I love them. I hope I can find something similar on Amazon, and I will link it if I do. Okay, the next one, I feel so bad, but it is another that I just checked and it's not currently available. But I do want to talk about it because when I first found this item, it also said currently unavailable, and I just kept watching the link because I love it so much. And it did come back in stock within about a month. So I do watch this one often, honestly, because I posted on TikTok a few times. People love this. So I do keep my eye on this one, and I will post to my Instagram stories whenever it does come back in stock. So if you like this item and you don't want to watch it yourself, just make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I will update you guys when it's back, because I know it will come back. So that's why we're going to talk about it. I know it'll come back. It's done this a few times where they just sell out because it's so good. But this is again, a teddy Sherpa material. I'm clearly obsessed with that. And this one is a storage bench. I believe this one looks very similar to a CB2 storage bench. That's what I've heard on TikTok. I don't really know personally. I haven't seen it. But I just love this piece so much. I love like the bubbled look of it. The storage bench just in general is so practical. We put our shoes in this because it's like right at the end of our entryway. So I love that. It also I think would be so cute in a bedroom, like at the foot of a bed, and maybe be used for like blankets or clothes storage. It is a very stunning piece that is also very useful. I love pieces that actually have storage and are not necessarily just for decor, even though this looks amazing. So yeah, again, the quality is so good. It feels exactly like my Sherpa teddy chair that we talked about, and the dining room table chairs. It's like the same thing. It feels really good, thick, a little bit soft, but not overly soft. Yeah, I love this bench, and I'll be watching for when it comes back in stock for you guys because it's so good. The next piece is in stock. Okay, we're gonna stop talking about out of stock things. I apologize. This one is available, okay? It is our little 3-shelf console table, I think these are called. It's like a very thin table that we have in our entryway, and I love this. I saw very similar tables on Pinterest when we were moving in here, and I was like, I need to find that on Amazon. I love the aesthetic of this. It's, again, practical for in the entryway. We have like our keys on there. Oh, and we have like a whole sunglass tray on here too. All this is from Amazon, by the way. So definitely like scour my Amazon storefront home decor page for all these pieces because love. But yeah, I think this looks amazing. I recently just found out they have like a more bookshelf style of this that's 3 or 4 tiers and taller more of like a square shape as opposed to rectangle, and I think I'm gonna grab that for in our office because I love this console table. It looks amazing. It's a nice little pop of black and glass. I think glass is just always really pretty in home decor and furniture pieces. But yeah, for the price, I was super happy with this one. It was very easy to put together and looks amazing. Okay, the next one is a furniture piece that we have, obviously, but I like it, but I'm also kind of want to talk about it because I kind of don't recommend it almost to an extent. I'll explain what I'm talking about, but this is our black coffee table, and while I love the look of it and I think it matches the aesthetic and ties in black really well into our place, I also hate it because it is very difficult for this piece to look clean. Again, like I said, I'm very bad with using coasters. I have them and it just doesn't happen. Like, I will set all my cold drinks on tables, on surfaces. Yeah, I mean, it's not really smart, but I do it in all honesty. So this one, I literally can never get like the watermarks off of it, even with a glass cleaner. I mean, it comes off, it's just kind of a pain. Like, I don't want to be grabbing a glass cleaner all the time. I also feel like it catches lint and dust and just things in the air very easily. Like, I just always feel like this surface never looks clean. Even like 5 minutes after I clean it, I swear it never looks clean. So a little aggravating. If you don't mind cleaning it all the time, great piece. It also has LED lights like underneath the bottom, which is really cool. This also comes in white, so I feel like that would solve probably 99% of my issues with this table. If it was just in white, you wouldn't be seeing lint, dust, you probably wouldn't see watermarks as noticeable as you do on a glossy black surface. So, moral of the story, maybe get this in white, but the other thing that we're going to do to it to kind of solve my problem, which I'm really excited about, is probably in a month or two, because we have Christmas decor up and I don't think this will look good with Christmas decor. But once that's gone, I'm going to cover this coffee table in a marble contact paper, which I'm very excited for. So I think that's going to solve a lot of my problems because the marble texture is going to be less noticeable with all the things, and I think it's going to look really cool. Also, very much good thing to mention about this table, it does have 4 very big drawers inside of it, so it's a ton of storage in a coffee table, which I really do love. Like, the amount of storage in this is beautiful. I would either recommend grabbing it in white, or if you want to DIY it like me and cover it in contact paper, stay tuned because I will have a whole thing probably on my TikTok about how we're doing that. Okay, next up, my bar stools. I'm actually sitting on one right now. I just dragged it in here, but these are so good. I've definitely talked about these a few times, but they are worth another mention because they are a furniture piece that I love so much. The quality of these, I was not expecting to be so good for how affordable they are. They are really the best bar stools I could have imagined for our place. I also love that the faux leather cushion part of these chairs is not a solid black. It has a bit of texture to it. They're also incredibly comfortable. Like, the cushion on these is thick and plush and truly the best. I would recommend these bar stools a million, 1,000 times. They come in packs of 2 and 4. We obviously got a 4-pack. I love them. Super easy to put together, and they look great. They feel super nice, durable, high quality, 10 out of 10. The next piece, this one is one that I was kind of like, it's bordering furniture and home decor. Usually I categorize mirrors into home decor, but since this one is large and it also has a kickstand, it kind of feels like furniture. I don't know. I mean, maybe it's not, but we're going to talk about it anyway. So this one is in our bedroom, and it is a beautiful arched mirror that, like I said, it has a kickstand, so it can stand on its own. You could also hang it, lean it against a wall, whatever. We do have it using the kickstand standing, which I think looks so nice. But again, when we moved in here, I searched so many sites and physical stores for a good deal on a large, tall floor mirror, and this one by far the best for the size and the price. So I'm really happy with this one. Another thing that I would definitely recommend, it is the perfect height. It's not too wide. It's just like a really nice floor mirror. I absolutely love it. Okay, the last piece of Amazon furniture that we're talking about, I feel a little bit bad because I don't have my own videos of this piece yet because I ordered it and the shipping got delayed, and I was like, I still want to post this video, so we're going to talk about it, and I apologize, but please stay tuned for me actually like showing this. I will obviously post on my Instagram and my TikTok right away, real time, when I get it, and then at some point on my YouTube you'll probably see it, but definitely my TikTok and my Instagram will have this up immediately when I get it, which I believe is going to be end of December. So if you like this, keep your eye out. I will be posting about it. But I'm so beyond excited for this. So this is for our office. We're getting this beyond stunning couch, and I've been wanting a couch in the office for a while, but I didn't find one that I liked that was like less than $2,000 because I was not about to spend that. This one, I believe, even after the pricey shipping, honestly, was under $1,000. So I love that, and for the style of this, I am obsessed. I have very, very high hopes for this, but I feel confident that I'm really going to like the quality of it because it is the exact same Teddy Sherpa material that I have in like my vanity chair, my dining room table chairs, and the storage bench as well. So like it's the exact same Teddy material as all of those. So I feel like I already know what it's going to feel like. I could be wrong. Again, I will totally post the full review once I get it, but I think it's going to be amazing just judging from the other pieces that I have from Amazon that are a very similar material, I am assuming. This one just looks freaking perfect. It looks beautiful. I've never seen a couch like this for under like $2,000. I know that like CB2 and Pottery Barn have similar things that are so ridiculously expensive. It was not happening. Like, that's stupid. So this one being on Amazon, way cheaper. I am dying. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get this. So that was my last item, honorable mention if you will. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little Amazon furniture video. Those are all of the pieces that I have from Amazon that are furniture and that I love. That was the review, guys. So thank you for watching. I love you guys. Please make sure to give this a thumbs up. Drop me a comment if you want to see more Amazon home videos. I think I'm planning to do some more, but if you do like Amazon home decor, furniture videos, that whole thing, let me know so that I know to keep making them. But that is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.